This is Beenie Man, king of the dancer.
So carry the bad man and come down.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.
What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know your boy Jambisco back in the lab, back with another mad update and a bad update, never a sad update. Well, at least not this time. Yeah, man, people, you don't know if you see from the title what we are doing today, now, man. Yeah, man, Beenie Man, come down now. Come down now. I know me say no people, and the people must say, you see me as a gang. Yeah, man, people, as I know, Beenie Man been a part of a lot of controversy lately when it comes to the whole King of Dancehall title. He's been throwing a lot of shade, going at Vybz Kartel, and it don't look good, people. You see me and say it don't look good. People haven't been reacting or taking well to it. You see me as to what's been going on between Vybz Kartel and Beenie Man. A lot of people think like Beenie Man is like reaching. Like he had his time, now time for Vybz Kartel. You see me I say. And one of the events that actually happened was actually this past Sunday at Boom Sunday. Apparently, Beenie Man showed up. You see me? I'm gonna show you footage of that guy. Showed up to Boom Sundays to preview a new song. Claiming he just a come from foreign, but people are not gonna like want to see my side. Yo, the crowd didn't take very well to it. Check it out.
Who's the king of dancehall?
So that's how we use it. We don't talk to them. Then chat to me. I want to them, man. Okay. Yeah. But me no hypocrite, so me no in a hypocrisy. Laba laba, tika flona, chatty chatty, not a massy. Chatty chatty, now me pass it like a tip and me fussy. Me matic and me shatty, everywhere me come me gatty. Me take it to the traffic and me have to make it up. Head tap me have to cap it, give you one out of the special. You know real, my guy. Don't be batteries a copy. Crime scene, never messy, but your family not happy. Go school day.
Come on, people, as I can see, yeah, that Beenie Man a preview a new track. Apparently, I diss towards Vybz Kartel, but the crowd didn't seem to take very nicely to it. Now, from the first footage, you're probably like, oh, you know, you just have to see him on the stage, so you're probably like, maybe the crowd here, but we may show you a different angle of the crowd, so you can see exactly what was going on. You see me, as a gang, take a look. Man, gang, you see me? So as you can see, the crowd never take very well to Beenie Man. You see me? I say previewing that this at Vybz Kartel. So you see at the end he tried to like catch by the crowd by doing one of his biggest songs. You don't know them like me. You see me? I said, you don't know the faces them not like, but people ain't still even take key to that. You know, a lot of people say your Vybz Kartel. Beenie Man actually, played out himself. You see me, dog has become common. You see me? I say, and you know, a lot of people can say him now get the respect him need because he feel to give other artists them respect. You see me I say so it's only right. You see me I say come a lot of people say he's looking at it as you see me I say we even have this cartoon I think it's called Third World. You see me where he do like cartoon and he even has this video making fun of the whole situation of Beenie Man. It's probably all just fun and jokes, but it's very hilarious, and it speaks a lot on what's actually going on and how the people them feel. So check out this as well.
No!
But yeah, man, people, that was the update today. You see me, just want to bring to you, yeah, man. Beenie Man, don't look good. You see me, people them not really take likely to this. You see me, I say not really take on to the whole energy where I give when it comes to King of the Dancer. People are say, yo, you had your time, just like a Yellow Man had their time. And you see me, and and people are say, you fight other people. They say you fight Yellow Man or you fight Kartel. And people are say, a lot of people also say, yo, why? Why Bounty not fight for the crown when Bounty was so much artist and done so much for the genre? You see me, I say, but I don't know, gang. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. I don't know, it's just a crazy situation. You see me? with the whole King of Dancer. But we don't know. Vybz Kartel, you don't know if that's what the people them choose, that's who the people them choose. Beenie, you did have your time. So it's okay to pass on the crown gracefully. You see me? My suggestion is pass on the crown gracefully before, if people forcefully take it away from you, and I got that respect and that, no, the variety people I used to have for you, you see me? You're not having no more. So, yeah, man, do the right thing, Beenie. Let me know anything in the comment section, people. You don't know what time it is. The boy Jambisco done. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.